Ancient Judicial Committee within the Bono Regional House of Chiefs. And the injunction, yet the injunction so High Court ruling na yase High Court ruling na yase National House of Chiefs are more far bigger than you Regional House of Chiefs. No? Yase womu kutu obeying the court verdict in that by who would meet now a Bono Regional House of Chiefs. Amma Judicial Committee for actually the letters of the injunction so na Sampa Manhene. So one paladino was or here. I here for Sampa. Now, and for me, said your Majimuka or more nonsense. I am me to say. I don't know, but me, you, dear Minka. And for me, Jimuka or more. Just a question. Because, say, High Court to the assembly. Aboriginals of you do not have the audacity, they do not have the power. Aboriginal House of Chiefs do not have the power to overturn the decision of a High Court, which is the jurisdictional court of law, which was set by a appeal court judge and make a decision. The decision was made, and it is a woo, someone here. Ghana principle, say, what they call Ghana jurisdictional court, appeal court, na bit with the court. Ako pre-injunction, our appeal court, the other to so. Now, I'm about to wobble. One on crop for the Mugu, and then, lawyers for the Mugu Bono Regional House of Chiefs. And I'm on crop for the Mugu Dormaahene. Mugu, shame unto you. And Guasia for from a camp for. Now, I can't for any bin. Huh? A crab son of Dormaahene, Mufaya Bay, I can't for bin. You are too disgraced. Mokasa, money ye, Musubain, Manoya, money and Swadia, Mutasa. Be a farm who be a time. Now, High Court to the assembly. High Court to the assembly. Now, Bono Regional House of Chiefs to me, Eddie Injunction. High Court to the assembly. And Bono Regional House of Chiefs. Judicial Committee of Bono Regional House of Chiefs. You are there. Ultimately injunction. After High Court, as some of you know, instructed National House of Chiefs. The National House of Chiefs will also send a Regional House of Chiefs. Huh? National House of Chiefs name also send a Regional House of Chiefs. A crime best soon any petty me said they are giving to me. Pardon my words. Pardon my words. If you do not understand anything, Ghana said be a one out now. Wakwan kwed ya say now say unitary states. Anya wa. Ana urefi. Ubro officer kum chacha. What I said now say Ghana a unitary state. Unitary state only governed by the constitution. There is a regulation and procedures in each of our your laws in Nala. See DSM or High Court. Magistrate court to me and for injunction to High Court decisions. But High Court able to meet the injunction up to magistrate court decisions. High Court ain't even for injunction and to appeal court decisions. Appeal court ain't even for injunction and to Supreme Court decisions. As I said, you are any this one until now put on from High Court no be call appeal court no. And to where your magistrate court. What to mean for with now a magistrate court judge? What to mean for injunction to a decision made by a High Court judge? Bibi said who yesterday. Bibi said who. Nothing in myself what Bono Regional House of Chiefs. A Bono Regional House of Chiefs. Judicial Committee. Judicial Committee. Ultimate the injunction, actual woman through your judicial committee in the Bono Regional House of Chiefs. At the top, decision High Court ISS. Papa way, not getting moon shadow in the house. There be not getting moon shadow in the house. Not getting now because as far as every person and I do down. Ya wonim said the Mrani Jumasity. OPNC will be a power lana. So free say High Court or ABB, and now I HTB. Nasha or ye, and you know, so who 2 means or appeal courts. Catcher appeal continue from appeal courts. From High Court or appeal courts. From High Court or appeal court. And you say High Court will make decisions be ya. And you only appeal court on Kuala. And a timid injunction top High Court decisions. Nothing I'm saying, Bono Regional House of Chief Committee, and you have the Judicial Committee. Move marginal from too much. A young empress a background and some fina, Nelson move marginal from too much. Mumu be marginal from too much. Adma Bedu and Adma Bedu and Koiko. Hey, Ghana, say the Yini. Now you want to have a qualification in credentials. Where? I have one teacher need by legal framework ben and my word that city. Legal framework ben. Because if you look at under the article 270 to 277 of the 1992 Constitution of Ghana, and I was out here in 2008. Act 759. Yeah, National House of National House of Chief. Akonya and will make a decision according to what it's right. I hear for the board regional House of Chief. Say a board regional House of Chief. 8 midday injunction. In what constitution the mouse are mandated? No? Huh? Ajimabadu? This is becoming too much. Oh. You too much. For ignorance, you know you too much. Huh? At least, says ya, who born in a chia point to us a pre-cordia. She had a cacra. She had a cacra. What born as still a number partisan politics in city. Omo sabi amamrane soa peja so kwa piko na kafa we ya disua ne sua de kakra esa sa Ghana law no yele gubu kumtu betimi asua ayade na High Court ebu asem ehye National House of Chief na Bono Regional House of Chief Judicial Committee TV the Injunction to so anya dwe na wo fam a me puka mo me be wi asimi hu krofo o ma dwiri mu e no sa no akwa ba
me just e bu coffee na pom ti se
pom de ya pa what that is something that ma bitie me ya
me sometimes e to da bia se entokwa efuno wa na ato akeka se you uni se Supreme Court Only the Supreme Court judgment. Supreme Court judgment, or say, a gazetted chief cannot be injuncted.
No.
A gazetted chief cannot be injuncted. That is the truth of the matter. I mean, when you see more jubilate, say. Oh, say, baby, I do know. What's the Omuye na Omude Katakata ni issue. And that's how they are. I mean, see the whole you know more you know me sabi
what that necessary no nyaba me da ho say ti won say me wasma to what that necessary sa no nyam chapere na me go na say only that
we know ombefa koti kwan so ombe say oma release letter na oma release no committee back chairman for me committee back chairman for me when Jimahene chairman so come here chairman what is this I mean chief says in ya no basa sayamana tantan
your mama chief says is so disgrace
social media gimmicks I mean you know this will not go anywhere ade I would dey actually we enko si baby enko baby the Bono Regional House is not the final authority. Why do you have to take yourself and laugh? I mean, what is this? Oh, I mean, no, media name is maybe I sabi I don't know. I
Judicial Committee. Judicial Committee in the Bono Regional House.
What one can Saudi someone Oh, there are some work, and you say the amount for young women say people don't know that Otum force old something immediately do mention now because of a second time. Supreme Court due to me, it is binding. It is binding. I mean, it is binding. When I can't say and they come with some binding.
May I give some cry? I give me what law school. I'm your friend Ghana Bar Association. They are appointed as a judge. I don't quite remember. I said, with the Afro I go about you ready. Me my lawyer teaching.
Okay. Long time. I didn't have.
Hey, no, the other.
There you.
Oh, Unyaba. Titi wenti. Neda ho. Aja wada necessary Unyaba, Unyama Hojina. Anna, ye Unyaba ko de. Let it be the same name. And rantimenti me a rantinet. And I'm Kobe so. That's a different Bro Regional House of Chief. Yeah, a committee in Bro Regional House of Chief. You are from Judicial Committee in Bro Regional House of Chief, led by Nana Edubi. Now, according to the injunction, I call the decision order. National House of Chief, may gazette, you register on somebody for legally, no, almost the injunction.
Injunction from court by like
that from Bro Regional House of Chief Judicial Committee.
Almost seeking for injunction. I'm not seeking for injunction.
No, the letter states, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
1 minute. No, 1 minute.
No problem. Like I had another business question. Oh no. What kind of materials? I want the judicial committee. I mean, they have judicial committee of the House of Chiefs. But you see the cost structure.
Let me.
Okay.
Judicial committee. I see judicial committee of the Bro Regional House of Chiefs, Sunyai, a Bro region. The concerned petitioners here, Nana Sekusi, and then the Star. No, that's in Sampa. Nana Kwame, Lupia, Abako Mahene, Nana Ejato, the second, Nifahene, and more Abobo and Zemso. Now, almost please take notes. Take notice that this Honorable Judicial Committee will be moved by Kojo Edubusumpim, ESK of Munumfie Legal Services.
My all kind of material. What I can
sorry. Munumfie Legal Services on behalf of the petitioner applicant here in paying the Honorable Judicial Committee of the Bro Regional House of Chiefs for an order of injunction and injunction to restrain the respondent, Justice Emmanuel Ankama, from in any manner they strain himself and performing the duty and functions as Dormaahene of Sampa. And no. It is a judicial committee and also Judicial Committee of Bro Regional House of Chief. Lawyer, it takes my hand. I give it them.
Ebe Jones say mo mama. I say we dey entiase lawyer chehwe mmai.
Hey. Lawyer way.
No, not me had it. Sorry, me take an opinion. I'm had. I know that it's a judicial committee of the House of Chiefs. Now we say Nyamren come here that try kind their role, but I don't know that if the judicial is a committee, you see the court structure in Ghana no. We started from low court now. It started from district court, regional bodies no, circuit court no. Now that call High Court, Court of Appeal, Supreme Court. And that's the judicial structure of Ghana. And to case, yeah, it has a called district court, now because circuit court, a friend of the hierarchy of the court. Okay, that's the only court recognized. There can be a committee, usually be settle as like arbitration to Mr. TBB to look at matters.
Yeah.
As I say, matters be a related chieftaincy, anything I think they do matter about. I don't think does not give them the jurisdiction about the High Court to say, make a decision. That's make issue injunction. But I wanted to read a little bit around, but on the face of it, I don't know, because the case went to High Court first, okay? And I'm making pronouncement. And if they had that jurisdiction and as a authority now, it wouldn't have gone to High Court. The first way I'm with the court crap because almost say a judicial committee of the House of Chiefs. They still talk about dispute and settle, but the High Court, the Court of Appeal, they have more power than them. So I said, Court of Appeal high power, more power than High Court. And then I just call case the Supreme Court I found it cannot go anywhere else. Or no a committee they can settle this with me. If somebody is there not wanting to say wait me they call a higher court, I change committee now, or wait me overrule whatever they've decided. It is almost the injunction now. I mean they can settle way no matter wait me discuss different matters anyway how to settle things. But that's why you should injunction we name the authority and after the court structure they fall under. And after here I struggle and read more.
So here the person I know I say obi watching back say lawyer need you or what say
Morris but no you can my feedback
ono you so ono court you know
Morris
hello eja
okay
you so ono chimba no
okay matter
as a medium you are more supervise this kind of unlawful attitude. Does it work like that?
No. I mean, when I case back court, Supreme Court, High Court, me really had really wake a crab online. No, judge or refer say I for I was a customary arbitration into your kind or no, if anything, he was an arbitrator, and arbitration decisions are binding. Who kind alternative dispute resolution we did at court. Your mediation, negotiation, arbitration, cancellation, any those way arbitration are binding. What I say, it's court when they went to High Court judge referred to 2-4 a decision I'll make here say there was a customary arbitration of 2-4 I think that I didn't know be 2-4 case or on case in their court because of those things. Because when you arbitrate a customary arbitration is recognized. It's a judge and they can make reference to the arbitration, okay? Because a customary law is part of a law. And arbitration, when it comes to international dispute resolution, almost such arbitration, the way near binding, or negotiation, because you're binding, mediation, because you're binding, arbitration, you're binding. Okay,
arbitration is binding.
Binding on the parties.
The possible arbitration referred by the 2-4 is binding by.
It's binding. Internal court to make reference to. So what kind? Me had that kind. Then Ghana we don't make kind part of it. Me we send the judge natural say when the case was there was a customary arbitration decision by 2-4 or make a reference.
There's about customary laws and usages there. They don't have to even talk about it again. They have legal action.
Yes, so one thing when it starts like that, now on binding, but one thing one say you can go to court because you see the court structure is there. Tell them say High Court. You know, obi failure or High Court or Court of Appeal. Obi.
Oh.
Sorry, no be kasa. Enti obi court, High Court now obi Court of Appeal. On thing one obi Supreme Court. Uru Supreme Court fana. The only thing I can raise is because called review, judicial review, fan until I not appeal. It them just say, I'm going to make it a statement that they are not speaking like a Supreme Court body. And then I don't know how they can issue that injunction and I say normally injunction.
Said the lawyer came court a hierarchy. It didn't solve this law. For magistrate court to High Court.
You can handle now when magistrate in the Crown Court and then Court of High Court to Court of Ghana.
District Court to Ghana.
District Court.
District Court.
Nako Circuit Court.
Nako Circuit.
Nako High Court.
Circuit. Eti lawyer let's say shemua. a district court in Timmy for injunction to circuit court.
No, district court decision, circuit court make decision, district court also follow. But I say, and the high court make decision, I was circuit court will follow. And I court of appeal, also high court follow. And the Supreme Court make decision, I was a court of appeal follow. It's a hierarchy of the court. That's what they call it. It's not I don't think I say I don't buy because court now make final determination, make order say young gazetting and it's man so over really a high court now. Like I don't know, maybe on say way back. It is somebody injunction so on your day.
Obi are registered illegally.
Yeah, somebody injunction so on your day. Injunction somebody have to so on your day.
That mom probably won't say oh yeah.
Oh really? That's why it has a
what to make a decision here.
If they wanted to challenge this thing, they can maybe go to appeal court or maybe just go to high court. Supreme Court. Supreme Court. Number Supreme Court. Yes. So for jump now, you can file to offense. It's a friend appellant. It's the court of the appellant jurisdiction.
Mandamus no cheche mukaka.
Mandamus, Latin word. It's in our question. Order I shall say BB. Also be with you order of rating more. Yes, as a short say BB. Okay. A hand, court no be issue mandamus. Other more different rates.
Mandamus no. Ofeli no.
What court mraso. Say or shall say your body I issue a mandamus on say you have to do this. I mean, say no say among gazette papa so among jinin to among gazette are not
the document no conditional.
Yes, or shall say BB. Yes. You are sure say you be also oh yeah at the court so we are no bunny in normally least contempt. So the budget do baby no more say and I do almost say a contempt action and much share no more than about
publishing.
There was some yes, because no almost no you didn't want to accept the rating. So no a way of follow. For that, I'm making sure say when I can't until now, somebody can't buy how woman. I'm saying the bodyguards really prevent it. So I'm going to issue rating notes at the end. It's our call to the next stage and say publish it. And this I would mean I say eventually to make us aware. Newspaper, yes, with your newspaper publication. Yeah, the process no move follow. First one be issue. Over no way no stay. It's a understand now.
Obia, Yamanam, I Vandamus, now Busso. Now, on one after the court, no the man in our Busso within 2 weeks no file a state of execution. And a court on the throne, state of execution. Say, or court on us again. Yeah, you name some contempt dance. I didn't me.
Oh, yeah, Ghana's house, yeah, near man. Because Tuesday, I want for play near man is animal. You need what is going on, but I don't think that this their way will hold because they want to show that their committee, judicial committee, are higher than the high court. They are. I don't know. And then
lawyer, would you decide was a son here? We could see one for 4 million or more legal food, Mumimra. Yafro be Ghana Association recently. No, be so ya people judge. Who is that was all more actors
or some ready assemble who sent for Mobumras will be even cry a time a Supreme Court in my order. The court no Emma sell mine, yeah, they will be contempt. I think that's not court in any other Antana, Mount for no somebody some documents because after they're trying to play because of the nature, because of chief sense in the politics, Kakarani, Sani, Manemano. They are trying to because if some normal circumstances and can call for contempt and for me, because you will court to Maraso. Court can because court no is a constitutional body and a constitutional and a court no authority say or it's like a court to constitution say Supreme Law of Ghana. I will be a shall say it is a sister and a dear Juma. That's a constitutional and a court no authority to do his or her work, sir. That's a contempt. Is that who the president at Sama normally and Obiatama would be found. For court, you could book court in a contempt of court. 2020 a presidential in 2000 and somewhere to Abana Coy. Sir John Money for bear for via chair more contempt. A big crack of that prison 1 month in the Muntia Telecranum Keka. And that was it. Would be about over Canama Casa because as an court representing Ghana, Ubu Ghana and India. I mean, you are going against the constitution. What I say? It by now, no, if I don't know what's happening, but if they pursue or move persist on that kind of constitutional crisis, what as in here, and we are not better anyway say. But I wish I mean later then you can make try to my kind of my head. On what authority?
But the best send you.
Yes.
Because of say she said your name and I say me I distracting me, but
So come inbox
part, even may Asantini platform so a little part of it in any, a little part of the letter in it. Yeah, I say
is it okay? But Mamma has top on top on just judicial committee because normally you'll be my issue quarter.
Stamp no cry just Bono regional house of chief.
Oh, okay. It's not really yes. And you know, okay. I've been said be what has okay say I made that what is the name of crank I made that kind. What is the name inbox? Very free no matter can be my Merry Christmas Alba. You might understand because you really want to. And yes, I can. What is your inbox? Okay.
Mammy fancy charge.
Okay.
And tag you. Because I think with you.
I don't mean inbox how you send because I want to understand because otherwise other than that I wouldn't have gone to court in the first place. And then who the grounds are more into almost my issue injunction say money always in. Because I'm a baby not regional house of chiefs in the ground. On the regions are quite political administration. I don't have a problem no. What I say, we can man, come or one under one we know some come course our regional. Papa, you got some man cause some back as a regional house of chiefs. But because of say, for administrative purpose near the but also almost a traditional way saying otherwise, I'm going to say, or he with my swear, I'm a
lawyer, Mammy Musuasemo. That's part to say, dear, Obi-Wan rigid. Oh, Regina, they say, for political administration.
Yeah.
That's the ABO and Papa Regional Woman. National House of Chief, and I say, everybody miss you.
Yeah.
Some percent of join this National House of Chief.
Yeah.
Bet me, I transfer other regional House of Chiefs.
I don't know, make us say, I was a son, I was a why I say, oh, mine is a raging, but chief sense, is different from the political agency. On the extensive institution, everybody is different. How the law and how it works, my establishing is different from politics. Okay, and based on the chief sense acting institution, they should follow the customs and traditions. Because, for example, Obi a eventual bottom, let's say, or some Asante Regional, or you have to be part of Asante Regional Council. I believe Asante Regional Council. Yes. Why would he not? Why would he jump from a growing region now? But because of that, now yes. So if they accept, say, Asante Regional Council, no, Asante Council, no, the same way they should allow them to join the Asante Regional House of Chiefs. In Quebec, office, I did almost somebody in Injunctions about Bettleson. I was not. Oh yeah, and no, best stop it because otherwise, we some Papa can see that because the judicial, Judicial is under mention. Yes, I'm going to jurisdiction because Nipan also honor. What I say, honor and I has been accepted. And who has the jurisdiction? Otherwise, in case a customer arbitration can could do of him swearing because he has or say woman, I say or interest room because Nipan honor over. Okay, and they come to swear there, and we also the videos are almost arbitration not open or I think that the people are trying to create confusion. Yeah, if they want to accept the chieftaincy institution, the nature, the rule, and the customs of chieftaincy, how it works now. It shouldn't this way. It shouldn't be way. It should be back of war, tag back and forth. Now it's a better than problem, big problem. Because court to know, like I say, anything there or Ghana, you can take it to court. That's the main reason why it's court.
A Bono Regional House of Chiefs Judicial Committee do not have any capacity to issue any injunction over a High Court decision.
No, they can't overturn the High Court because the hierarchy where they come. The hierarchy where they come. In the hierarchy, are they part of the hierarchy? Oh, no, say in Ukraine, remember some kind about assembling by who. In fact, then I'm quite me could debate you or Kumala can ho. When I said based on Article 136 of the Constitution, the how process said it choose Court of Appeal judge, I say there has to be have high integrity, high moral standard, high integrity, Oh, I you see no I judge you. No say you be time, but if you are to go by the law, he does not qualify because we have videos and so many things. Pronouncement, I know. Mean the court to some, mean the court or match meanings. Oh, yes, I
very decent because of your profession.
Any that debate we very in more understand, but I will apply the law.
I said, oh, yes, student of law. You are very careful choosing your words.
Yes.
I am so proud of you.